Most popular features of our video management system is our Smart Search function. And so to use Smart Search, what we're going to do is we're going to select the little man up here, and when you hover your mouse over it, it's going to say Smart Search. On the older versions of the video management software, it's a spyglass or magnifying glass. So basically it does the exact same thing on all the versions, just a different icon. So when you're ready, you can highlight the area of the screen that you want to search. So in this case, let's highlight just here on the sidewalk, because a lot of people walk through there and we want to see what people, who's coming into our building. So you can see here on the right, we've got some thumbnails, and in each thumbnail you can see a person. And so let's say, oh, we're looking for a person in a yellow shirt. Okay, so here's this lady coming up the sidewalk in a yellow shirt. If this is the person that you're looking for, you can click on it, okay? And you see this red mark here, that's where there was motion. If you highlight it, you could bookmark it or export the video, whatever you want to do. So let's say we just want to bookmark it, and let's call Lady in Yellow. And then click OK, and now it's tagged. So anytime you need to search for Lady in Yellow, you're going to have it right here. And you can click play, and we can play it. And let's say we want to export the video, and let's export Lady in Yellow. Add a timestamp, and it's exported. So searching using the Smart Search function makes searching for people or cars or whatever you're looking for really easy, because all you're going to be doing is searching the area that you're specifically looking in. So in this case, we're searching here. We could search over here and just have this, marker here. We see that guy walking in over there. Super easy to use. Everybody loves this feature. Go out and use it.